Recently, there has been a question that how you can make bright side, but the problem is very strange to be true. That is, I don't have time. I don't have even 5 minutes, but still I want to make videos, that is no face videos. How quickly and effectively can I do it? That's the question. I am going to be showing today step by step. That is how I am going to be choosing scripts. So, what are the things that we need? Let's first understand this. If you want to go directly to the video, just go ahead and just go to the start of the video. But let me explain for the ones who doesn't know that how it's being done. So first thing is we need a script, and from that script we are going to be making videos. And here is the thing, that if you want to choose voiceover, I would say that preferably choose a voice actor. Or if you want to do it, if you don't have any budget, then also it's completely okay. So what you need to do is that you need to choose a voice actor. You yourself can do it if you want, but here is the thing, if you want to use a AI voiceover, you can even use that. I'm going to be giving you the name, don't worry about it. So what is the first thing? The first thing is we need to go on to Brightside on YouTube. Right now we are here in Brightside, and you can easily see that this is having 43.7 million subscribers, and they have uploaded almost like 4.5k videos up till now. So that means what, they are uploading every day videos. So we need to go on to the video section, and I don't think that you need to know that how much they're making in millions to be true. And it's quite obvious they're making so many videos, and these are kind of clickbaity in a right way. So you need to go on to social bid status if you want to see that how they're doing all of it. So we are going to be going on to sort by popular, and we are going to be going on to the most popular ones, and let's see that how you can actually see. So you can see all these things, all these videos that they have actually done. So something just like this, like 5-minute workout. But here is the thing, we are going to be going on to Google at first. So we are going to be going on to Google, and I'm just going to be opening some links up here. And the very first thing that we need to do is let's assume that if I want to work into this segment, I can actually work, but for our easiness and for betterment, I am going to be choosing for, so that I don't need much time to be true. So I'm going to be going on to a website that is known as Man Matters. So this is a personal grooming website for men. So they have a blog, and I'm going to be choosing that blog, for example, so that I can show you that how the script would be. Now I need to go on to this blog, which will be effective for us. And now we are going to be going on to a topic that will be really effective for us. For example, we need to go on to here, and we can choose like this one if I need to do it, like how to increase testosterone. I have done previously about this, and if I need to do it, I can do it again. So we need to click on here, for example, how to increase testosterone level for beard growth. So this is a good topic if we want to work onto this. And we need to then go on to Google, and then we need to write up as lumen 5. Okay, so we need to write as lumen 5. So you can see it's a video maker. Okay, so you know the website right now, I know, but you're gonna be, some people might go up like here, but this is very tricky. And so I want you to subscribe first of all. And here you can see that it will be really effective if I show you step by step. Now you need to open lumen 5 and watch this carefully, okay, so that you can do this properly. And I'm going to be giving you really easily at how you can actually do. Let's do a challenge to be true. So let's start a stopwatch. Okay, so let's do a stopwatch, and let's see how fast we can actually make the whole thing. Okay, so I right now have this thing, need this one. So I need to go on to lumen 5, and here you can see some of the things like this one that I have done. So we need to go on to the new video, and I am explaining you, and I'm going to be showing you that how easily. So you need to go on to the skip, and after that you will be seeing this page, and it is completely free. Don't worry, but here is the main trick, that is you're going to be getting 720p quality, because if you want to get the free version, it's up to 720p. Now you need to paste an URL, so we need to click on here, and we can actually paste the whole thing up here. And if we paste the whole thing, and we need to simply import, And you know what, so if you want to do, you have to write the script yourself for easiness right now, so that I can show you the main thing. I'm not using any script. So we have got a script just like this, how to increase testosterone levels and whatnot. So here you can see that use AI to generate a summary. If I need to I can do it. I would say that use every sentence in the story, and we are going to be doing convert to video. Now here it is, your video is in generating. One moment please. Now it is almost done, and we can see that this is like 1 minute up here, and within 5 minutes we have to make a video. This is it. So you can go on to record your own voiceover if you want to do it, and you can see that it's been 24 seconds. And we can go up here, we can go on to do our voiceover by using Audacity. If I need to do it, you can go on to Audacity. If you want to do a voiceover by yourself, or if you don't want to do it, you can go on to Fiverr, and after that you can use a Fiverr, you can say a voice actor, okay, a voiceover that will be helping us up. So you can go on to here like this. And not just that, I've given some recommendations in the description below that will be helping you up. And we can see that almost 2 minutes have been there. And now let's go on to our video, and let's see that how it's been going on. And you can see that our video is actually ready. Isn't it great? Isn't it awesome? So it's kind of just like this, that how this video has been done right now. So this is the video that you'll be getting, and you can actually publish then, and after that you can do the voiceover yourself. So you can choose from the icons, you can change the whole thing the way that you want to change the design. Like you can change the swap the design, shuffle colors. You're getting basically many options to be true. And after that your video is done. Within 5 minutes your video will be completely be done. So if you want to do a voiceover yourself, you can do a voiceover yourself. If you want to choose a voiceover actor, you are getting voiceover actors for less as $5. You can see it's a top rated one, and he has done 1000 gigs have been done by him. For $5 you can actually hire this guy. Why to work? I mean, it's so inexpensive to be true. Now all these things is completely ready for you, and it is the script that you can actually give to that person is completely being done. Now what we need to do is that you need to make something that's coming completely amazing. And what it is, you need a thumbnail. For this you can go on to Fiverr, and I think we can actually stop the clock right now, and we can actually stop this thing even. So let me just close it because the video is already being done. You simply need to publish it, and we can actually pause the whole thing right now. So what I want to say is that within even I was talking, so whenever you're going to be doing it, you're going to be doing it much faster. So here is the thing, can you do it in your smartphone? Yes, you can actually do it in your smartphone. Can you do it on your PC? Obviously I'm doing it in my PC. So the main factor is you can, as I just showed you, that within 5 minutes you can actually make a content, and after that you need to optimize. For that optimization, I've given a link in the description, and you can use TubeBuddy, you can use vidIQ, or you can use, there are other several tools, but I would just recommend both of them because they are just amazing. And I would especially say that after that you have optimized, use a great thumbnail, because that will increase the CTR. When your CTR increases, after that your watch time is going to be increasing, and when that happens, your videos is going to be ranking really high. And after that, when your videos gets momentum, it will be so much effective, as you are going to be changing many things that are really necessary for you. Now let's go on. So here is the thing that you can actually basically do. So this is how you can actually use all these AI tools, and then you can actually add all of it. So I didn't show you the Well-Said Labs. It's wellsaidlabs.com, and you can use AI voiceover if you want, but the chances of monetization is kinda onto the high side. That means your videos are going to be getting monetized, but there is some form of risk that is involved, and I don't want that to happen to your channel whenever you are starting. Now whenever you have multiple channels, it's completely okay, because you know how the tricks works. And after that, whenever all these things are done, what you need to do basically is you need to upload the video, you need to monetize, and you have to be consistent. And after that, you can have almost videos just like Brightside. You can actually get really quickly. Now, here is the harsh truth. The people who are working in Brightside, they have like people of 20, 50 people who are working and focusing on mainly onto one video, and they're working together with the voiceover artists, animators, video editors, graphic designers who are making thumbnails, some SEO optimization experts, that is SEO experts, and they are actually working in a team to make that video perfect. Perfect. That is the main goal, so that it reaches to maximum people, it gets high CTO, and the view watch time, the audience retention is really, really high. So what is happening up there, it is purely a professional game that they're playing. But if you're a newbie and you don't have much time, what you can basically do is that you can leverage it. So here is the thing, you can leverage that thing with the help of artificial intelligence by making videos, and you can actually secure yourself with the help of voiceover, either by yourself, or you can use the second option, that is by you hiring a voiceover artist. And whenever you do all of that, what is going to be happening, you are going to be getting monetized, because you have optimized. First of all, you have done your videos right, you have made a great script that is helping in audience retention, the visuals get you more attraction onto the video of for the audience, and it creates basically more engagement. And after that, what is happening, you have optimized the thing. And whenever you do all of that with great thumbnail, it is great, because it is going perfectly awesome for that specific channel. And whenever you get that idea that how things are working, how the whole channel is getting momentum, and the best thing of all is that it is going to be taking less than 5 minutes, as I just showed you earlier. And now here is the moment of truth, that you can get the video within 5 minutes. So it is pretty simple, but you need time for scripting if you want to do it. But if you want to choose another option which is not illegal, but I feel somewhat it's not right, that is you can use like paraphrasing tools for whenever you are starting by, so that you can choose the most popular ones, and then you can paraphrase that, and after that you can use that as script, and after that you can actually use the whole thing as a video. You do the voiceover, you hire a voiceover, whatever you want to choose, and then you optimize, and then you can do it in a much more faster pace. The right amount of uploading the video, that is very important if you're a newbie, and if you're doing something just like this. See, the whole truth is, if you can make 2 to 3 videos, if you can make 3 videos, upload at least 2 videos, or at least once a day, basically, that is 7 days a week, seven videos in 7 days. So now what is going to be happening, you're going to be having videos in your hand. For example, if you make 2 or 3 videos, you are having videos in your hand, so that sometimes you might feel like, oh my god, I don't want to make videos today, I need something, a quick fix. So you can take that backup video and you can basically upload that. So this is how it is going to be occurring, and you can flow into that segment, which will be helping not just you but also your viewers who are equally interested. And let me tell you this, for example, it is a very harsh reality. You might think that you're uploading a video that can be very trashy, and you're just like uploading video just anything, but that's not true. Each and every subscriber is a real person. You might not be able to see them, but they are real human beings who are following your content. So you need to do what? You need to actually level up your content. What will be happening up there is that whenever you level up your content, you yourself are going to be feeling awesome, that I am uploading something that is of high value, that is of so high value that they're retaining so much knowledge that they have never been explored, or they have not got that exposure themselves. So you can go on to that level, and you can give them videos. Personally, I love not videos. They are just mind blowing, I would say, because I want to achieve a level of that quality so that I can give my viewers of that quality personally, so that we can create a better impact. It will be so much visually attractive and it just is perfect. But the amount of teamwork goes into that each video is massive. So if you want to start somewhere, start small but aim for the big goal that you have, and that is how you can actually go ahead and make videos just like that. And don't forget that YouTube is a business itself, and so treat it as a business accordingly, and you are going to be making real money from here. So you should be presenting your viewers with real high quality videos.